Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. If you're a fan of classic trucks with modern performance, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Ford F-100, a vintage-inspired pickup truck that combines old-school charm with cutting-edge technology. Ford has done something truly special with the revival of the F-100. Originally introduced in the 1950s, the F-100 was one of the most iconic pickup trucks of its time. Now, Ford is bringing it back with a design that pays homage to the past while delivering modern-day power and performance. The first thing that grabs your attention is the styling. The 2026 F-100 retains its retro boxy shape, classic grille, and round headlights, reminiscent of the 1950s model. However, it's not just a nostalgic throwback. Ford has infused it with modern touches, including LED lighting, aerodynamic tweaks, and a sleek, high-quality finish that makes it stand out. Under the hood, Ford offers multiple powertrain options to cater to different driving preferences. The base model features a powerful 3.5L EcoBoost V6, delivering impressive horsepower and torque while maintaining fuel efficiency. For those who crave more power, there's an optional 5.0L V8, giving it that classic muscle truck feel. And for the environmentally conscious, Ford is also introducing an all-electric variant with dual motors, providing instant torque and a range of over 300 miles. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that perfectly blends retro aesthetics with modern technology. The dashboard features classic-style dials but integrates a high-resolution digital display for all the latest tech features. A massive touchscreen infotainment system supports Ford's Sync 5, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced navigation system. The seats are wrapped in premium leather, and Ford offers a range of customization options to make this truck truly your own. When it comes to performance, the 2026 F-100 is built for both work and play. With a high-strength steel frame and an adaptive suspension system, it delivers a smooth ride whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling off-road terrain. The truck bed is designed for utility, featuring a built-in power outlet, tie-downs, and even an optional fold-out workbench, making it perfect for job sites or weekend adventures. Safety is also a top priority. The F-100 comes equipped with Ford's latest Copilot 360 technology, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera for easier maneuvering. Whether you're driving in the city or out in the wild, this truck has got you covered. Ford has truly nailed it with the 2026 F-100. It captures the essence of a classic American pickup while offering everything you'd expect from a modern vehicle. With multiple powertrain options, a stunning design, and a feature-packed interior, this truck is set to be a game-changer for vintage truck enthusiasts and new buyers alike. What do you think about the all-new Ford F-100? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ride Ready Reviews for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video.